The Akko Tac75 magnetic switch keyboard presents itself as a compelling option for serious gamers. This 75% form factor keyboard is engineered with magnetic switches, signaling a focus on both performance and a streamlined desktop footprint, making it immediately apparent that it caters to those who value precision and space efficiency. At its core, the performance is driven by the advanced magnetic switches, which are key to its responsiveness. The inclusion of rapid trigger technology allows for exceptionally quick actuation and reset, a critical advantage in fast-paced gaming where every millisecond counts. Further enhancing this control is the stated 0.005 mm precision, offering an ultra-fine level of adjustment over actuation points, allowing users to dial in their preferred feel with granular accuracy. For visual appeal, the keyboard features 8K RGB lighting, promising a vibrant and dynamic illumination experience that can set the mood for any gaming session, while the wired connection ensures a consistent, low-latency input, crucial for competitive play. This keyboard is clearly designed with these ports in mind, providing the tools necessary for competitive advantage. Its rapid trigger and precise actuation make it ideal for genres requiring quick, repeated inputs, such as first-person shooters or rhythm games. As a custom keyboard, it suggests a degree of user configurability, allowing gamers to tailor the experience to their specific preferences, whether adjusting actuation points or personalizing the extensive RGB lighting. The compact 75% layout also proves beneficial for gamers who prefer more mouse space or a minimalist setup without sacrificing essential functionality. From a design and usability standpoint, the 75% layout strikes an excellent balance between compactness and practicality, retaining crucial keys while shedding unnecessary bulk. The magnetic switches themselves contribute to a smooth and consistent typing and gaming experience, free from the physical wear associated with traditional mechanical switches. The robust wired connection underscores its reliability, providing an uninterrupted and stable link, which is paramount in high-stakes competitive environments. In summary, the Akko Tac75 delivers a high-performance package tailored for the dedicated gamer. Its blend of magnetic switch technology, rapid trigger functionality, and ultra-fine precision, coupled with a compact design and vibrant RGB lighting, positions it as a robust and reliable tool for achieving peak performance in any gaming scenario.